Hi, this is Rick Sorsey with Stockdale Kitchen and Bath, and this is part 2 of our whole home reveal. Now, this is the laundry room. We moved the laundry room from by the master bedroom because it was kind of loud and not a great spot for it. This is the garage here, so we moved the laundry room over to this section. Now, come on in. It's kind of a small space, so what we did is we put the washer and dryer next to each other, but then we added a 15-inch wide pantry here to kind of break it off so that it wasn't a big eyesore and build in the washer and dryer. With 15-inch deep cabinets above, what's nice about 15 versus the standard 12 is now you can get enough room for those bigger soap jugs and boxes that fit perfectly up here. Then there was a bathroom. This is one of my favorite guest bathrooms I think I've ever done. What a great client. She had a great vision of what she wanted and she was able to communicate it well. And so she got what she wanted because we talked and we hung out and designed. Check out this focal wall. You're gonna see a lot of showers that we do with focal walls. Why? Because we're done with the stripe, you know? And I think it gives a nice, soft decorator look without being too in your face. LED mirrors with a light above. This is an LED that has a frame around it. Classic niche. Gold mowing, beautiful bathroom, especially for a small space. This is great for kids coming in from the pool or accessing the guest bedroom. Thanks, I'm Rick Sorsey. This is Stockdale Kitchen and Bath. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 661-834-3333. Thank you.